What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a mouse cursor on your iPhone while screen recording. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you all of my YouTube data and strategy on how to make money online and create a passive income. So let's jump into it. We're going to settings. We're going to accessibility. We're pressing touch. We're turning on assistive touch. We're going to customize top level menu. We click on tab. We scroll all the way down. And we're going to tab and we have to make sure that it is on. And in my case it is. So I click done. I go to the assistive touch, click on tab. And that's basically it guys. It works now. And if you want to get rid of it, you can click on assistive touch again and it's gone. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video as I said. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.